Rupet presenting to you our B project Telepresence robot using stereoscopic vision. Telepresence actually means it is a technology that allows us to transport a present to a distant location. The main objective of making this project is to provide a 3D immersive view to the user. Hence, the user will feel as if he is present there itself at the distant location.
So, the main application for this, as you can clearly see, is providing a 180 or 360 degree view of the surroundings of the robot itself. So, let's say if you want to do it in virtual tourism, or it has various military applications where instead of having a fixed screen view or a fixed video or demonstration where you cannot clearly see the surroundings, you can now see whatever is going around the robot as well. Now I'll explain the software part of this project. There are two scripts running on the computer currently, on the Raspberry Pi right now. The first script is for controlling the robot itself, and the second script is for running the gimbal according to the neck movements. So we have UDP packets that are being sent to the Raspberry Pi that have the angle values. Based on these angle values, the gimbal rotates, and the arrow keys on the keyboard are used to control the robot itself. We will now show you a demonstration of the dashboard. So, as you can see, Gaurav is currently controlling the robot with the arrow keys from the keyboard. He can look around to whatever is happening to the robot itself using the VR headset. So, as you can clearly see, his neck movements are providing a 360 degree or a 180 degree vision of the robot itself, and the control is also taken care of. Everything is being done wirelessly using a router. So this is actually completely internet connected. We will now show you a view of the stream itself that is going on the headset. So this is the VR headset that we are using. Inside this VR headset, as you can see, there is a cell phone, and inside the cell phone is a stream showing whatever is going on of whatever the camera can see right now. So these two, the stream actually merges into a single view, and this is worn by the viewer to see whatever is going on. So, thank you.